Here at Blockchain SLU, we like to give people the full scope of what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Make sure that people look before they leap, before making any decision or, thinking that this is some kind of propaganda channel. It's not. One of the caveats to having that medical data on the blockchain is that data validation step as well, because like I mentioned earlier, some medical information needs to be semi-private,
Right.
privy to persons who should know about whatever medical condition or their own medical status, and private to anybody else, and also accessible to medical doctors, licensed medical doctors.
Right.
When you incorporate smart contracts into the blockchain ecosystem, you do have some form of access rights for blockchain data. However, it'll be an interesting study to see how that information behaves when it's actually set on the blockchain, when that validation happens between miners. Would that medical information be obfuscated or hashed to make sure that third parties who don't need to know about that medical document, would they be able to actually decipher what's on that medical document before they validate it? Because I was thinking about a situation where a piece of document would have some kind of seal, electronic or otherwise, that would prove that it is official medical document, and the miners would have something in place where it could verify that data based on that seal. But if that's the case, then would the document have any information on the rest of the document? You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure that the person's medical condition is private, that the miners don't have access to it. Absolutely that has to be the case, because there are data protection laws for medical data, such as the General Data Protection Regulation. But once blockchain can go over that hurdle, I think you'll see a lot of really, really interesting use cases for record keeping, and in particular in the medical industry, in terms of blockchain.
Yeah.
It's really an exciting thing. I just want to put that out there,
Yeah.
so that persons don't think that this is like a one-sided discussion.